Hi, welcome to AI Wiki. Please note that the information presented in this video is for reference only. It is not persuading anyone to purchase or not purchase anything. The findings and conclusions are based on my personal research. While efforts have been made to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the information provided, I am not a scientific expert or professional in this field. Therefore, it is always recommended to consult with experts or conduct your own research for specific advice related to water quality, health, and cost savings. In the UK, people say water from the tap is more expensive than buying bottles of water in supermarkets such as Watco. Is this true? In general, tap water is significantly cheaper than bottled water. The cost of tap water in the UK is around 0.1p per litre, whereas bottled water can cost anywhere from 10p to £1 or more per litre depending on the brand, size, and packaging. While there are some cases where bottled water can be cheaper than tap water, such as during a sale or promotion, it is not typically the case. It's important to note that in addition to being more expensive, bottled water also has a significant environmental impact, as the production and transportation of plastic bottles contribute to carbon emissions and pollution. Therefore, it is generally more cost-effective and environmentally friendly to drink tap water, which is safe and regulated in the UK. Additionally, investing in a water filter or reusable water bottle can further reduce costs and environmental impact. I doubted the answer because sometimes ChatGPT gives wrong answers. So, I asked ChatGPT to do some calculations which it should be very good at, right? First, I added the price of freshwater and wastewater, which equals the cost of tap water usage. So, 1.832 plus 1.221, we get 3.053 pounds per cubic meter. You don't need to add the standing charge and rainwater removal because you still need to pay them even if you are just standing without using any water or on a sunny day.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Please convert the tap water price, 3.053 pounds per cubic meter, into the unit pound per litre. I assume the lowest temperature you can get from the tap water is 1 degree Celsius in the winter. You won't use 0, unless you want to have a pipe burst. Please use the electricity price of 31.16 pence per kilowatt-hour to calculate the cost of boiling water with electricity from 1 degree Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius in the unit pound per litre. Wow, ChatGPT is doing a great job. So, we get 0.036 pounds per litre. Now, the total cost of boiling tap water equals the cost of tap water plus the cost of electricity usage. I found Watco selling 40 bottles of 500 milliliters water at a price of £4.19 including tax. Please convert this to the unit pound per litre. Let's compare the final results. What do you think? Please feel free to leave your comments below.
Thank you so much for watching AI Wiki. Please subscribe, press the bell, and set the notification to all so you won't miss my updates. Please help me to like and share. Thank you, see you next time.